Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. Today we are going to make is beef pickles, and it is called, actually it is, you could say, beef garlic pickles, and it's a very tasty, excellent pickle that has come out, and this has a very good tangy taste of vinegar, and it's made with masalas, as well as it has come out excellently with the taste of garlic. So please stick along, watch the entire video and see how we make this pickle. So come on. To make a beef pickle, we have bought 1 kilo of beef that we have cut into small pieces, and we have cleaned it thrice with clean water. Now we are going to cook it. So we have placed it in a pressure cooker. Next we need to add the spices, where we have taken half teaspoon of turmeric, then we add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, which is ordinary chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of kashmiri chili powder. So all these ingredients we have added. This is 2 teaspoons of salt we need to add. Next we need to mix all these ingredients together, and then after which we have to place it on the stove and cook it in the pressure cooker. Now we have mixed the meat with the spices, and we have mixed it together. The next step is to place it on the stove. We cover the pressure cooker. Now we lit the stove, place the knob. Now we cook our beef in the pressure cooker for 30 minutes after we hear the first whistle. So let's come back after 30 minutes after we hear a whistle sound. Now the first whistle has come out. Next we need to cook it for 30 minutes on low flame. 30 minutes, we are switching off a stove, and let's wait for the pressure cooker to cool down. Now we are going to check whether our beef is cooked. Now it's 30 minutes, we have kept it. Our beef is fully cooked. Our beef is now cooled down. Next we need to fry our beef. For this we take a clean kadai, light the stove, pour the beef into the kadai. Now since there is excessive water in the beef, so we need to wait for the water to evaporate before we start the frying of the beef. Now the water is completely evaporated into the beef. Next we need to pour the oil. So here we are pouring cooking oil. We have poured almost 5 tablespoons of oil into a kadai for frying the beef. Now our beef is fully dry and it's ready. Next, the next step is to transfer it on a plate. Now we have transferred the beef onto a plate, and the next step would be to start making the masalas for the pickle. Next we have to pour some cooking oil. We have to pour a lavish amount of cooking oil to make our masalas for the pickle. Now the oil is hot. The next step is to add the ginger garlic paste. We have added around 10 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Next we need to fry this in the oil. That is, we have taken around 10 to 11 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. This will give the real tanginess and the pungent taste to our pickle. We have added a little more oil to mix the oil as well as with the beef. We have got around half a kilo of garlic over here, which is peeled. Now garlic is an optional ingredient to this pickle, but however we wanted to make it as a beef garlic pickle, so that's why we have bought garlic and we will be adding garlic. We are adding the garlic to the ginger garlic paste and as well as the other ingredients. Now we mix the garlic along with the other ingredients. We continuously mix until the raw taste of the ingredients go away. Now we are adding salt to our paste and the ingredients. We have added 2 teaspoons of salt. Next we mix the salt and along with the other ingredients. We have been stirring this garlic as well as with the ingredients for the raw taste of the ingredients to go away. Next is to add 4 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Mix the ingredients together. This gives a very good color to the pickle. To increase the spiciness of a pickle, we have added 2 teaspoons of chili powder. The next step is to add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Sprinkle it across the kadai and mix them all together. The next is to add 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. We have added a garam masala powder. Now mix the ingredients along with the rest of the ingredients. The next is to pour 200 ml of vinegar. In fact, we will be pouring a gracious amount of vinegar into this pickle because this gives a very good and tasty, tangy taste to the pickle. Now we have mixed the vinegar along with the rest of the ingredients. Creamy. It's like a semi-gravy texture right now. We are pouring another 200 ml of vinegar. So in total we have poured around 400 ml of vinegar. This gives a very good and tasty, tangy taste to the beef pickle. Continue to mix the ingredients once again together. Now we wait for the masala to boil, after which we will be adding the beef that we have fried right now. Now the masala is fully boiled. Next we add the beef to the masala. Now we mix all these ingredients together. Already the aroma of the pickle starts coming out. Now we have tasted our pickle, which is in the process of making, and there is a little bit of salt which needs to be added. So we are adding 2 teaspoons of salt. But salt is really optional, depends on your taste too. So please add it judiciously. Now we mix these ingredients once again. Now we switch off the stove and our pickle, our beef pickle, a beef and garlic pickle is ready to be served. It's spicy and it's hot and it's tasty. Well, we hope you liked watching our videos and we request you to like, share and comment on them. Well, if you found our video really useful and informative, and we hope you liked watching a beef pickle video, so please share it with your friends and also help us by subscribing to our channel. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. And by the way, Merry Christmas in advance to you.